Did you know that in some cultures divorce rates are incredibly low, while in others they're surprisingly high? These statistics, however fascinating, only scratch the surface of a complex global phenomenon. Divorce, far from being a monolithic concept, carries vastly different meanings and implications across cultures. To truly understand divorce, we must look beyond the numbers and delve into the heart of diverse cultural perspectives. This journey takes us beyond Western norms, challenging our assumptions and unveiling a rich tapestry of beliefs, values, and traditions. Join us as we explore the multifaceted world of divorce, gaining a deeper understanding of its cultural nuances. By embracing this global perspective, we cultivate empathy and navigate the complexities of human relationships with greater sensitivity. In many Western societies, divorce is often seen as a legal dissolution of a marriage. It signifies the end of a chapter, allowing individuals to separate and potentially start anew. However, this perception of divorce as a personal choice, primarily focused on individual fulfillment, doesn't resonate universally. In many cultures, divorce extends far beyond the individual, impacting families, communities, and even societal structures. In some cultures, divorce carries a significant social stigma, potentially leading to ostracism or economic hardship, particularly for women. In other societies, divorce is approached as a pragmatic solution to a challenging situation, often involving mediation from family members or community leaders. These diverse perspectives underscore the importance of cultural context when seeking to understand divorce. One common misconception is viewing divorce rates as a direct reflection of marital happiness. A high divorce rate in a particular culture doesn't necessarily equate to widespread unhappiness in marriages. It might indicate a greater societal acceptance of divorce as a viable option when a marriage becomes untenable. Similarly, a low divorce rate doesn't automatically translate to happy marriages. It could point to cultural or religious prohibitions, economic constraints, or social pressures that discourage divorce, even in unhappy situations. Another challenge lies in understanding the intersectionality of factors influencing divorce. Religious beliefs, economic realities, family structures, and gender roles all play a part. For instance, in societies where arranged marriages are prevalent, divorce might be perceived differently than in cultures where marriage is primarily based on individual choice. Unraveling these complexities requires sensitivity, open-mindedness, and a willingness to challenge our preconceived notions. Divorce practices around the world. Let's journey across the globe to explore diverse cultural practices related to divorce. In Japan, divorce is often a quiet and amicable process, with couples sometimes opting for a collaborative divorce. Contrast this with the complexities of divorce in India, where Hindu marriage is considered a sacrament. In some African cultures, divorce involves extended family and community elders who mediate disputes and provide support. These examples highlight the diverse ways societies approach divorce. Section 5. A Tale of Two Divorces, Culture's Enduring Impact. Imagine two couples, Sarah and David and Anya and Dimitri, both facing divorce. Sarah and David in a Western country experience a straightforward legal process. They divide assets, establish custody, and move on with their lives. Anya and Dimitri in a traditional society face a different reality. Anya, despite success, faces societal pressure to preserve the marriage. This story underscores how cultural norms shape the divorce experience, influencing legal proceedings and societal expectations. Section 6. Bridging the Gap, Embracing Cultural Sensitivity. In an increasingly interconnected world, understanding diverse cultural perspectives on divorce is paramount. As we've explored, divorce carries a spectrum of meanings and implications, shaped by a tapestry of cultural, religious, and societal factors. Recognizing and respecting these differences is essential for fostering empathy, bridging cultural divides, and navigating the complexities of human relationships in a globalized world. This journey of understanding requires ongoing learning, open dialogue, and a willingness to challenge our own biases. By embracing cultural sensitivity, we cultivate a more inclusive and compassionate world, where divorce, despite its challenges, can be approached with greater understanding and respect for all involved.